The Medical Laboratory Technology program here at Gadsden State is a 5-semester associate science degree. Basically, a medical laboratory technology person is the one who does your blood work at the hospital. If you've had anything done, blood drawn, urine collected, anything that has to do with lab work, a medical laboratory technologist is the one who's done it. Our program here is an associate degree, of course, which is a 2-year degree. Even though the MLT is an associate degree, there's plenty of room to grow into this field and carry it out as far as you want to carry it. Lots of opportunities for a medical laboratory technology student or a tech once you do finish, of course. You can work in the hospital environment if that's what you choose. Reference labs are big. Things like LabCorp, Quest are the 2 big ones here in Alabama. There's lots of other small specialty labs. You can qualify to work as an MLT in a fertility clinic if that's what you prefer. Anything that is lab related. We've even seen people who have gotten MLT degrees get job in chemical plants, or for instance like Tyson, any of these food processing plants, because they have to do part of their Q&A, which is their quality assurance. They have to make sure that they're not growing specific bacteria, these kind of things. So you would qualify for a job in those environments also. Large job demand right now for lab techs. I know just in this area that we live here, in Gadsden and Calhoun, there's probably 5 or 6 job openings right now for MLTs. The MLT program is the first 4 semesters is all didactic. We teach you the classes and what you need to know about being in the hospital. And then the last semester, your 5th semester, you go to a hospital and you stay 8 hours a day and you work in that particular department, right beside a tech, learning what the everyday life is as a medical lab tech. Phlebotomy is also part of the MLT program. We actually have kind of 2 phlebotomy programs. We have a phlebotomy as an MLT. You get phlebotomy. That's just part of the program itself. But we have a standalone phlebotomy program. And phlebotomy is essentially drawing blood. We teach you how to do venipuncture is what it's referred to as, where we draw blood from the veins. We also teach a little bit about arterial sticking. Most hospitals, though, want you to be trained at their particular hospital for arterial sticks, but we do introduce them to that. Phlebotomy is it's a short-term class. Actually, it's only like 5.5 weeks, and we take 2 classes a year. We take a class in the spring and we take a class in the fall. And literally you're done in 5.5 weeks. We teach you all the theory behind it, and then you go and do clinicals every day. Class is actually just 1 day a week, and then the other 4 days we expect you to be in clinicals. We are very, very successful in placing phlebotomy students. That's a large demand for phlebotomy students. Phlebotomy is almost like a kind of a stair step to another program. So a lot of times people will come and do phlebotomy certification and then go be an MLT or go be a rad tech or a nurse.